Let's see how to reactivate your Instagram account in the 2026 update. So if you have deactivated your account for a short or limited time, Instagram will usually reactivate it automatically when you log back in. But if it's not reactivate automatically, you have to go for use another account. Now from here, you just have to enter your username, email address, or phone number. Then type your password. After logging in, you will see an option asking whether you just want to save your login information. I just go for save and see your account will be reactivated automatically. But if you're facing an issue and your account isn't reactivating, just open any browser and search for Instagram Help Center. And open the first result, search for icon login, and from here select login to your Instagram and read the suggested solution carefully. If none of them help, just scroll down and go for was this helpful? You have to select no. Choose the option that best matches your problem. Now a form will appear. Just clearly explain that you can't reactivate your account and make sure to enter your Instagram username and a valid email address so Instagram can easily contact you. Once everything is filled in, go for submit. And that's it. Now you just need to wait for Instagram to review your request and contact you. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.